Hi guys, welcome back to Kendal SEAT. My name's Lewis. I'm going to give you a little tour of this gorgeous SEAT Arona FR that we've got in, finished in midnight black with the contrasting grey roof. Just show you the inside. So we've got the FR interior styling. So this car's just had the one owner from new. Comes with a full long life service history. It's an 18 plate, as you can see. We've got the FR exterior styling as well, with the two exhausts down at the bottom there. Now this car's got sat nav, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio. It's full link as well, which is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and that's shown on the touch screen just there. We've got the dual zone climate control and the wireless charging pad for your phone, so you can always stay topped up on the move. Got the 6-speed manual gearbox. The FR seats carry on to the front seats as well with that red sport stitching. As you can see there, we've done 39,759 miles. And the red stitching carries on around the steering wheel as well. Just gives it that nice little extra touch. That's just a couple of the features that come on this car, along with many others. If you're interested or if you want any more information, like always, feel free to get in touch with us. You can come visit us in person. We're based on Queen Katherine Avenue in Kendal, just by the Morrisons. You can give us a call on the number down below, or you can drop us a message on Facebook as well. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you very much. Bye for now.